Zillow has a deep, dark secret about how they actually make money, and I want to show it to you because if you're clever, you can actually use it to make money off their efforts. Let me show you how. A buyer or seller early in their stage will essentially go to Google, they'll search homes for sale and say Miami. They're going to see some paid ads at the top, and then they're always going to see Zillow high in the search result because they have great SEO. So they're going to click on Zillow, they're going to go to the website, and they're going to conduct a search in their area for whatever they're interested in. Once they find a property they like, they're going to click on it, and if they want more information, they're going to click contact agent, right? Then what's going to happen is all of the premier agents that pay huge money are going to show up. And if they select one of them, Zillow's essentially going to sell that lead that they generated for pennies on the dollar to the premier agents for like $50 to $200, right? Pretty clever way to make money. Well, I'm going to show you an even more clever way to make money than that. What if I told you you can actually accomplish the same thing with a very simple Google paid ad using your website so that all of those leads go directly to you and not for $50 to $200, but for $2 to $3 to $4. The ironic thing about all of this is that it's far easier than you think. It does not take a huge upfront investment. You can actually do it from the comfort of your own home, and you do not need to be an expert or have any prior experience in doing this at all. The only catch is that I can't explain all of it in a YouTube ad. So click the link in this ad and I'll show you exactly how to build your own online lead generation asset. And if you're skeptical, well, you should be. Just know that I'm a real estate agent myself, and I'm doing this for my real estate team, and we generate sub $3 leads at scale every single month on total autopilot. And the best part is we actually own that asset. I've been able to actually coach and teach hundreds of other agents on how to do the exact same thing as you can see here. So just click on the link in this ad and I'll teach you step by step everything you need to know. Just click on the link. That's it.